I just want time in a tree. I need a place just for me, somewhere that I can be free. Keep the faith and just be what you
I guess rules are there to break, but I make mistakes like they were handed on a plate. When I try to leave, sometimes I'm standing in the way. I'm on the edge of crying all the time, cause I can't human right what they say. I get wound up from the ground up, and I don't know why. Turn the sound up, drown the noise out, swallow up, don't cry. Got an anxious heart and it's stalemate, can't take paper or heartbreak. Did Billy Joel have self-esteem? Maybe Vienna wouldn't wait for me.
I just want time in a tree. I need a place just for me, somewhere that I can be free. Keep the faith and just be what you be.
Do you ever feel like you could live a real life like everybody else in the real world? You could be a real girl, you could be a wizard, you could be an asshole, you could write fiction, you could tame raptors. Most days I struggle, I get snappy. Fuck all that, I just wanna be happy. Swimming against the current, am I wrong? Can you show me a warrant? Honestly, I'm a barring, I'm on it, I get it, I've got it. I wanna be 10 again, just me and Sonic, and nobody telling me I should be more than I am. Back when I had a plan,
I just want time in a tree. I need a place just for me, somewhere that I can be free. Keep the faith and just be what you be.
I've seen things that I never should have seen, said too many things I didn't mean, hurt myself too many times to count. I need to let it out and just release. Been lying to myself too long, been trying by myself too long. I can't relax, I'm too distracted, I can't hack it. I'm needy, greedy, love me, feed me, let's be a family. It'll take a village to make a man of me. So why couldn't you love me? That's all I need.
I just want time in a tree. I need a place just for me, somewhere that I can be free. Keep the faith and just be what you be.
Unless it has a lot of yellow on its back, or orange.
It's mostly black.
Then it's probably Bombus Impatience.
Got it.
So cool.
Yeah, I watched how much of that girl when he left. Because I was supposed to go to Europe and then my great uncle said I couldn't stay with him.